Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon to Mars. We are heading out of Orlando, Florida, and we're heading over to Tampa, Florida right now. Hitting the road, gonna go get some food, and then hit the road. I gotta edit up some videos while we're on the way, but gonna do a quick daily and in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon to Mars. Let's get straight into the charts. Coin market cap. Bitcoin is holding above those $45,000 levels as we retrace back down and are showing some support, which is good. Let's see what Elon is doing. Bitcoin's up 2.7% today, 2.17%. Dogelon to Mars is down 4.24%. That's a divergence, my friends. It is not currently following what Bitcoin is doing, which is a good thing, because once Bitcoin spikes higher, this will lag right behind it and spike about 5 times as high. So it's a good thing. This is what we need to look for in the coming days in order to show some strong support and bullish buying pressure. I'm going to take this horizontal line tool, this right here, 10 levels. That's our new level of support. We have touched it once, we have touched it twice, both creating big wicks. That means this level is now strong support. So if we come back down to here, especially with volume tapering lower, we want to see, as we touch these 10 levels, a nice big green candle with volume, a big spike showing that buyers are stepping in, not allowing this price to drop below these 10 levels. If we see that big candle with big volume, that is called a confirmation candle, and that is a good time to average in. I will be currently averaging in more if we see something of that sort. However, hopefully we break these 10 levels and we can get a nice discount, making a double bottom around these 7-6 levels. That will be the best buying opportunity if we do manage to do that and get that low again. However, if we do manage to get that low, that means Bitcoin will drop below these $45,000 levels, most likely back down to the $40,000 levels. So, looking into the future, to the upside, this is what we need to watch. These are the levels we need to watch. We want to watch the top of these 12 levels. All right. Once we break those 12 levels, then we got some support around, or resistance around these 1365s. Okay, got to watch those. But for now, we just want to see this 10 level hold, and we want to see it break through these 12 levels, okay? If we see that in the next few days, it's a very bullish sign that we are moving higher. Now, if you look at most of the YouTubers, crypto YouTubers, past week and 2 weeks, they've been saying the crypto markets are tanking. They're going down. And that is not the case. We are just in a simple correction. Everyone always gets emotional whenever the markets start correcting. They want to sell their bags because they think everything is over with. But little do they know, that's exactly what the big money wants them to think before it moves the price even higher. So, stay strong, have patience. Volume is thickening up. It's a very good sign. Before our next move to the upside, we're going parabolic, my friends. Just keep in mind how small we actually still are, okay? We have a lot of growing to do. We need to hit around these 50 levels soon, and we will. We'll hit right up around these 50 levels. All of you who got in at the 5 levels, that's a 10x right there. Okay, easy, 10x. If you got in around the 10 levels, it's a 5x. Got in around a 15, that's 2.5x. Not really. A little more than that, but still, you see what I'm saying. It's a really good thing. So, Crypto Billionaire 69 at the gas station, gonna fuel up the car. But we just need to wait. HODL strong, my friends, because we're looking very bullish on this coin and the overall market at this moment. We have seen the inflation hearings, and it was already calculated into... I told you guys in the Patreon, I texted you guys and said even before the hearing, I think the news is already factored into the market, which it was. The market was down as the news came out. Once the news came out, then the market just spiked again. But everyone and their mama thought the news was going to be bad and the market would drop. So that's just how it works. It does the opposite of what everyone thinks it's going to do. So I'm going to hop off. Crypto Billionaire 69. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts and daily updates on Dogelon to Mars and the overall market. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.